Okay, yesterday I put new cables on the Sportster, new battery cables. See the red one in there? They're 4 gauge, so they didn't quite tuck in there as nicely as the 6 gauge original ones, but it now starts really well. It's got a new starter, new cables, new battery. So if you're riding a bike that doesn't have a Kickstarter on it because some idiot at Harley Davidson decided to delete that option long ago, you have to have new everything periodically, or you may end up pushing the motorcycle home. So I'm allergic to that. So anyway, this thing starts really well now. 4 gauge cable. Before it would barely turn over. It would hesitate, but no more. Huh. What the hell do I do with the keys in there? So now it's good to go.